Anyway, a serious home match. It was called the camp of the NDC. There's a serious confusion. Kevin Taylor, Mugabe Maase. And Ohene Boamah Beni, Omo abe clash with NDC leadership. Na enyasem kuma. Me man chiri mu no achire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Brock Media. Best was any demo. Obe like video no da mo subscribe button and back click notification on latest update. Time be chire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Best of us no share for onye bi asho. So ohemu and this so there's been a whole lot of confusion between the party. But I say one person keeping low. Not they were portraying MPP, say MPP party as new. But I'm telling you, say this even Jakuma. But you know, outside gentility, home cry. If you ni say ndokwa party nimu even surrounding the flag bearer aspirants. And tokwa womu gidi but omo pia bontina publicly because of the MPP before they are being omo pese omo so they ebeba nebetin kensen na Ghana for be come wasem etino they act gentle outside but when they go home na etuo no akoto na eno ana wusu akwa na bedru say yese Muntaka Mohammed na point when kwa na dia man no ebusi undeserved or incompetent. Now I was saying Muhammad this is a serious confusion in the NDC party.
Yet krom ha. Baby a juicy position biano at to force per se a beshan as of finance. Yet krom ha. Baby a more debiano at to force per se a beshan as say our finance. Yet Ghana cocoa board a chef finance as say. Gold board as a finance asset. But first na ye PMMC no. Na ministry ya owe Emmanuel Kofubu anadano no. E ho na na wo. Ene as a finance asset. Ana no we to forcing. Ebe ready budget wo krom ha. We ready budget wiye ye. Ana odi ti just say Ghana ye be ame. Amani so no ni se no. Na adanu ayebe bia no eno so se finance ase na finance ministry we bia be abaye waduma ato force mo pri na awurade montumu wate na ulu sutumi ehu wani beba ho so no ne wadane ya frɛ se walusu Nenka bebre na me ho abawe ye. Samodie anano yase forestry commission. I recruit to me more than 2,000. Party boys and the application ko ye no ba kumponi pa ye fa no. It's okay. Na samaye koko board nhyepa. Na policy no say you good. You don't need to go down there to explain yourself to them. That is one of your problems. NDC. Tama yadi one CD. Ebe to feel also. Me the kind of beto so ansana mu engage omo. No. Me di kan ye adwuma na wie. Ansana ma introduce no. Me introduce wie no makoye adwuma. Enti ene Minister of State gina ngura mu gina kokwa fuom. Ekwa kokwa asem. But yemisa owe Peter Boamah to come say oko as a Greek minister no awoye no kokwa board as a Greek ase ese ana bodi amontomo mu ase na nsama ye kan ne say NDC no di obeba no mu sustain no
mo so na ye mo buse na nam etwetwa nkwase boy. It will not take you anywhere, and the time will come that will be taken from you. Most of them mopumubo and say enchine bags. Arrogant boys, some of you. You think you have seen money, disrespecting people up and down. I am ready for some primary zone. You bet chira mo kafia. I am ready for say mo constituency to own. You bet chira mo say yene you control the ground. Now so when we new primaries, I want to be my minister. Yet ya. You will not win. We will control. You will understand us. Also, I'm more pumubo. You can't quasi some chilanko for social media. mofa phone unnecessary nonsense na moka kire nkofo na mo twitwa nkwasi aboy tantai bi de nam Ghana. We dey here. In Brebi Baye, some people came to save some people with just 5 votes. Some people had to fight. Some people had to maneuver. Some people had to do work for people to get just 5 votes to become MPs. We dey here. And I'm ready. It will come back. Yene, yetya. We control. We will control. We will show you people. Mon pilot. You can pile everything. Now, I'm work our constituency. Yene omo. Omo nomu ye ni anom. Omo tie de ani ebeka. I name is straight. Yapon.
Mon frère penifo no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Dr. Kalisu Smooth Yemia. Mon frère penifo no mo de that security services no. Mon frère migration for, mon frère fire service for, mon frère IGP ni penifo. Mon mi say recruitment ya ekoswe. Dia na ekoswo. O minim dia ekoswo ana. Yes. Obi mo obi cham so. Matia say and the trend ya ekono. Me amafo ni yedi nkomo. Ya dia ekeke kono ya hwe ya yemi mbegu ase enisi amani do sa time no. Please, we can afford to disappoint this president. The man is working. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or here Juma no enisi a disappoint no wasi a boy Juma dia ebetumi ama NDC ya traso over 30 years. Ya dia BP post for na kwa na 8 years omukọ for kwa na omu and akoya promotions e ba ya de ma wo no. Power to the people. Yet omo obi say o man no obi ba qualify waka what if you wa kwakoto forms ansa na be ma no ye be send the message kura say ena exams na kire na baba ba kire wo you know online wo ye de be ma no na date na dey ni atwa wie na atwam internet service a Ghana ha yin how esi adwuma. Power to the people. Afena mo pese mo di new date eba sama fo nya challenges no wo mo nya dan Muntaka come again wo so mo nya dan hwe Ghana ha e won obi aso obi a wo Ghana ha wo ade a wo be ya enya papa no me Mugabe na mo nya fimi ana I will talk about it. Many presidents president ato abama no wono ana Ghana for the tumi ase ne se no no kwati mi nya adwumati no wo de penifo atoto na na joma ma kwa advices wo mo mutu no fo. Power to the people. President na yato aba ayino no president papa John Mahama no wo ma wono mo se konya gate ana kokko sam ne baaye no wono kwati mi trase kase mi pese mi yesi no mo call for a emergency cabinet meeting no mo kwati ase nkonya. Wisdom. And then manya appointment. Womu ye hu omo so me ya president. Time no so ye be tuma no ma yadai makodi na enum. Ghana for agi tuma omo tuma wa no aba be di so. Time we Jomama time. And atanku ne ga bigger capacity ma metra. Ahwe hai. Ye ba kwa so defend the papa no. The ba enya no ya beka ho asem without fear or favor. Power to the people. To Muntaka wono kwafo no go back to the drawing board. Nsa dia mode ba no me ma ho dia mode bibia beba me ka hu ahead. Ye be mo kwato enya adwuma. Yes. Recruitment services no. Presidency on me kasa mo dia mo mama somra ha na awie. Mo fa masonto fom na mutie de ekoso. Yes. A one man show. O kasa will be a kabi. And only a koso. My M1 NDC. M1 Bayon. So I will talk about it without fear or favor. It must stop. Power to the people. And we have wisdom. Yes. Rest of no baba. For the ebaba. Masa wa wotu wono sadia wo ye no eye sa wa woni sadia wotu a wo ye no bo adwuma eye wo so resafo maybe so competition as a host because there's no radio station I want baba tra me oni me baba tra compare me ne tra se obenya numbers asene me. I'm always on the winner side. I'm born to be a winner. Victory ne da bia de mechi Mr. no sroma no esesa obi atumi no mija. Yes, dinya me na Ba mi bisa say we a minister bisa wo say na ya resafo bi be kam ya na we am sesew. So why ya adwuma wo hawo ne sen. Sa me ya atofo se am so resafo. Me ya George na po am so resafo. Me ya Honorable Kofi Bu am so resafo. Me ya Honorable Kennedy am so resafo. Me ya MDB ti say combat am so resafo. Me ya MDB ti say mo de say COB ti say yes am Jamfia am so resafo. Me ya COB ti say Logas am so resafo. Bisa wo say wo de na ti say Musa Wakilu Ghana Water me ya COB ti sana me so resafo me ko obo adwuma wo de na ti say. Power to the people. Transport Minister Honorable Joseph Bukari me body anama preja me mu me minister bi te say Transport Minister Joseph Bukari me sekia ya dai because obo adwuma. Yes okasi osuno papa mo adwuma no ka ho bi see you now our boss the late professor I want on the bano we see obi te sana obi seki obo adwuma NPA edoji bo adwuma won so resafo woko NPA edoji bo adwuma woko boss obo adwuma won so resafo we MC bi te say so amasama constituency we so resafo we what they say MC bi te say Salam awo aduajiri so wama aduaju we so resafo they are working. Yes we ya adwuma anya sa obeta senia ka kire me say we ya adwuma ho me sorry am e bo me dwuma me nam me original minister bi te say is regional minister me tiema ya dai obo adwuma enjesna na yi din ni bawo amwako ye na asante regional minister obo adwuma oti region minister obo adwuma wo sheki me wo host bi te sami ametia wo sheki se be yi wadi because oni mo adwuma. Power to the people. Yeah, add the numbers so you reduce the numbers. Tia de ukwa se kwa ya adwuma na man put you no kwaso na tia ban na nim. Power to the people. Yes. Ebi ma di position and na ya former amofafo na money penifo aka maybe information bi ababo adwuma wo ye no wo mo kwa na wo send mo message ko mo ba kan so mo return it. I'm out of the country over to me count in 1 week 2 weeks we hear one about the flow. Shut up there me do friend tama me hear one friend one for don't make any mistakes about from me back in 2 weeks time. I don't need it. It is gone. Pass and gone. All of them will come here. Some about the trouble mobile MP mobile constituency nations mobile power to the people mobile to me hey na me yes. Shen Juma penifo bi ebo sometimes me bisa say I mean on manyafo jilo zabra ene ya mama prof na Jane ene ya papa ya Dr. Kalisi Jomama omo na Felix Kwajifo simo omo na o inti so ye babulu ni ade adwuma ma wa akaka be sam no foto ntan Penyah humble yourself. No make sure so be adwuma we deliver and deliver very well. If you must start very well. If you must lack so many things, leadership qualities, how to work with their colleagues, they can't do it. Minister no any deputy or problem. Are you worse than the president who appointed you? Are you worse than the one who appointed that person to that sector? If you are a sector minister, I think you cannot work with your deputy. With your money too heavy for you, resign and leave that position. And your family position. Power to the people. Raise up for neighbor. Yes. Go to Vaku. Go see that young man there with his 2 deputies. I was there last week. Dr. Sambian. Go and see the
NDC. Yenim samu be yasanke yanye o. Umu bitim wodin papa. Emrantie me maba one that so before was struggling, calling you day and night. Mumfa. Na de mu yeye.
Mrantie kuma wa modu wa mun kwato ho. Eje campaign mamu school sum. Wo prepare akọ. Yesi computer nhane so. And yaani kakai. And we deal the consent for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yesi en kong bonne bay and why. Morben. Na Muntaka te ho. Ha? O say me no se Muntaka se mo bese ya. Me kwaka bi pe yesi wotan no. Yati krom ha. Ntokwa enough. Nipa more than 3,000. Etumi kwa vehicles wa bla na okunsi ye. Nipa more than 3,000. Ni o interior minister te krom ha di nom da. Ni woni me de ekoso. Look at a fine IGP like Christian Tete Hono. Say, the among yen one. Me say, and now national security for ya. And also more picking intelligence at the Bremono. I saw the fool. When we say Akatia Modema Womo at the end of the month, as national security operatives, I have 450 Ghana. Is it true? I am no cray. Say soldier ni ama fan so me national security ni. But so me so am man 450 Ghana. Ni. Almost say na do woso. Now omo on the 15th of every month omo 1,500. Omo 1,500. But so me kwa wie ya no a 30th no omo 500 Ghana account. Na ye 2,000 Ghana. Omo NDC buy. Omo 450 cedis. Is it true? Say national security for you. Yes, party boys in go and mpodie. Omo asem omo bokraten obia. It is say national security for ya Daniel Langas okruma. Obeti yes aban asase omo akoso omo kofa. Na owura jeto ni wasesa nkrofo ni akọ ni akọ omo akopam omo na omo sakọ ha na omo sakọ ha ene obekọ ba bia ye ba asase ho ba na obekọ kodu nala national security for Anano Animal Research Institute yako national security anano pokuase aban asase da we yako na layi national security omuni adwuma ye itibese kwa adwuma no de akire because ye no kura dia na you very bad and you're very sad and Muntaka. What the hell is going on? Mesine abaya bapawa MMDCs. They are complaining bitterly. Uko compare yabepamo. It will be a deal not one. MMDCs. At a free airport, you are office at the Babes no market ya cramai. In Tia Moka. In Tia Wamoka. I will do more bayano. It is so big baho. No be who MMDC be. Nasa was so buanwa. Wako first carwa he. And the scansho abane de banyano. Abane chad wamon fan kwaye. It is ho. Is it true? 8 billion Ghana cedis. So we talk about great good years. At the end of the day, we are telling you good years. Yeah, the answer the fata. Tinano na cabinet cottoners. Now was expect a cabinet say the other ones are blanted or Ponsia Carolina, Yervi Wingan, Wabawa man a boy. It is actually an if anyway. Where's the punctuality? We are such a don't know. So as I tell the CEO, a diablo or buy cocoa body no diabum. A judge share papa no diablo. Now it's any be a 100 be a bufu. Now no call be or call me and call more or call also cocoa quasi. I call who's the last in America. Mentiko quasi no cocoa quasi for an uncle media. Who can walk on your robot and one walk transfer. It was a bear for a cranny guy. A kufa needed to learn someone who cocoa farmer was all canal to be. And young man, yet what must say? Now Farmers Day, ye Farmers Day. Cocoa queer for me, me papa cocoa, a brew bells 50 acres. And yet the climate man, a brown for be on brown of Kenya, Sibia, Bojampa, the film fucker, side village, the cocoa quano. To make a beer should be in the poker, make us a queenie. Yeah, Farmers Day, a Greek minister near Bra, one in penny for my penny poco talkai. Yeah, bunk of Fabaso. No CEO of cocoa board. Was here blast a World Cup draw. no do baby a draw no we technical director and also a coach and we want to support value even the football no man was of football yeah no ball no so ho adwene kakra obeti and you was here day it was one more day akuafo nyina ye gina ho brane ye nyina ni say the suicide betra de na no one or two no what must say edu bebe so be say bu ade kakra wo na wakokota ho ofa Ghana ska kwota say we are management committee member we manage dey ya man see o some manage the main entire way go koko board okota no draw that day no koko farmers friend and some pabia even that day na ka check say na ba this anko do su ye bi automatic say enko je su wakota wake up draw say wo pe wake up akoko automatic say na wako bisa ni ba bi oti koko board oti ni obi a offer obi ababoa na obi go no ntishi oni hwaba koko na no onkola bi obede na oba bi ginu obede na wakwa tina koko board obi oni hwaba obi na bi ko oni ma de kwefem koko even though on 25 bank dian koko dia wako onkola bi hia no mo de kire I'm telling you bank dian koko dia no 25 different
Chira wa dwe ba be e wo conversation. Hi Penyah Media.